Hi friends, today I am introducing a new chapter, Nutrition in Animals. Next, we study about an important topic, human digestive system. The main digestive glands which secrete digestive juice are salivary glands, liver, pancreas. Next is salivary glands, a pair of a small and branched structures situated in the mouth cavity. The secretion is known as saliva, which contains starch splitting enzyme, namely amylase, and much more easy swallowing of food. The saliva breaks down the starch into sugars. Next, importance of saliva in our mouth. The saliva breaks down the starch into sugar that are easier to digest. Next is liver. It is the largest organ in the body. It weighs between 1 to 2 kg. It is the reddish brown gland situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. Liver secrete bile juice. Next is bile juice. Liver secrete bile, which is temporarily stored in the gallbladder. The bile plays an important role in the digestion of fats. Gallbladder, this is the pear-shaped sac with a capacity of approximately 60 million of bile juice that is attached to the undersurface of the right lobe of the liver. The other one part is pancreas. It is the large cream-colored gland located just below the stomach. The pancreatic juice acts on the carbohydrates and proteins and change them into simple forms. Next is the role of pancreas in the process of digestion. The pancreatic juice acts on the carbohydrates, fats and proteins and change them into the simple forms. Next one is digestion. The food we eat is chewed and broken down into the smaller particles and then converts into its components in liquid form, which gets absorbed. This process is called digestion. The another one is absorption. The digested food gets absorbed by the inner wall of small intestine, that is mucosa, and passes into the blood vessels. It is known as absorption. Absorption of food in small intestine. The digestion of food is completed in the small intestine. Receive bile juice from liver and pancreatic juice from the pancreas and also secrete several digestive juice of it. Next is assimilation. The process of absorption is followed by the distribution of absorbed food to all parts of the body. It's known as the assimilation. Digestion of food starts in mouth, continue in the stomach. It's completed in duodenum and small intestine. Digestive enzymes. These are different type of enzymes which are used for the digestion of different food materials like carbohydrates, fats, protein, etc. The process of digestion involves the association of several catalytics, organic compounds. These are amylase, pepsin, trypsin, lipase and sucrose. Digestion in grass-eating animals. First one is cud, the partially digested food in the rumen of cattle. Second one is rumen. It is the part of stomach in grass-eating animals. Next one is importance of rumen animals. Animals quickly swallow the grass and store in the rumen. It serves as the primary site of the fermentation of ingested food. This food is later returned to the mouth as cud for the further chewing. Next one is rumination. Cud returns to the mouth in a small lumps and the animal chew it. Next, ruminants, the animal in which rumination occurs. Grass digested by some animals and not by human. Some animals which are called ruminate can digest grass. Since the grass is rich in cellulose, it cannot be digested by humans. Ruminating animals have a large sac-like structure called caesium between small intestine and large intestine. It has certain bacteria which can digest cellulose. Since these bacteria are not present in human alimentary canal, they cannot digest grass. Amoeba, a microscopic single-celled organism. It is found in pond water. Second one is pseudopodia. It pushes out one or more finger-like projection called pseudopodia or false feet for movements and capture of food. Next is feeding and digestion in amoeba. Amoeba feeds on some microscopic organism. It pushes out pseudopodia around the food particles and engulf it. The food becomes trapped in a food vacuole. Next is digestion in amoeba. Digestive juices are secreted into the food vacuole. They act on the food and break it down into simpler substance. Gradually, the digested food is absorbed. The absorbed substance are used for the growth, maintenance and multiplication. The undigested residue of the food is expelled outside by the vacuole. Friends, I hope you all are understand this chapter. Okay, thank you friends. Bye.